Sometimes it can be really hard, even when things have been going good and then something drops in and it just feels all overwhelming and all consuming. Just breathe, take a breath, and don't let that whole thing ruin your day. Give yourself space to find a way to regulate. Do the things that light you up. Continue to do that, and you'll see it was just a hiccup in the road. You can move on then with more space to breathe. And that in itself is enough to continue on in that grounded, balanced way, working through the trials, the tribulations, the headaches, and yet still maintaining connection with yourself, maintaining regulation, and being happy each and every day.